Hi there, Peter Vox here, and welcome to another episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. If you like this channel, please click subscribe and like to keep up with all of our videos. If we can help you or someone that you know with their singing, please check out the links below. We would really love to help you out. Today's question is, will singing lessons improve my singing? Yes. If you do the 2 points that I'm about to tell you. Number one, you have to go to a good teacher, because a good teacher will get results and get results very, very quickly. Number two is you have to make sure that you're practicing. You just can't go to a singing lesson once a week and expect your voice to just improve, okay? That won't happen at all. Please always remember that your voice is a muscle. And for your muscle to become better, you have to train it and use it often. We recommend at Vox Singing Academy for even our hobby and beginner singers to be at least practicing 5 days a week. At Vox Singing Academy, we'll be customizing a scales workout for you to practice at home that will be recorded for you and customized to your vocal needs and range and points that you need to improve in your voice. Scales are recorded on piano and they're similar to ma with your voice. The teacher will also be helping you out with song choice as well too, so that you're picking the right songs that are going to best suit your voice. But the main point is that you have to practice, and you have to practice correctly. It's no good just practicing and not doing the scales in key, or singing the songs out of key, or not practicing them to the right volume, or in that point, which is the main point, is not practicing enough. I highly recommend, even for hobby singers, to at least do 10 minutes of scales a day and then singing for at least 20 minutes. If you're doing that, that's half an hour, 5 days a week. In 3 to 4 weeks, you should be feeling the difference in your voice. You should be feeling stronger, more confident, be able to do different things and sing for longer lengths of time if you're practicing at least 5 days a week. So yes, singing lessons will improve your voice, but you have to put the work in. That's like with anything that you want to get better at. The more that you do it, the better that you will be at that particular skill. Hope that answers your question. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below and I'll get to as many of them as I possibly can. Be good to each other. Much love. Bye for now.